So, good afternoon. Today is last day of July. So, what I want to say is my short video telling about the mistakes and how to prevent that or to improve that. So, the red color arrow shows my SL, that is the red color arrow shows the SL hit. Yellow color shows the trades I have missed. Orange color shows I have exited early. And green color shows a proper trade. Blue color shows instead of taking 2-3 accounts, I have just taken in one account. That is the mistake that I did there. So let's discuss. So yellow trade. Here it is saying I have missed. Yes, I planned a trade over here because of a Fibonacci from this top to this bottom, and as there was a one-sided momentum, so there was a high chance that it will fall, right? Like this one-sided momentum, fall, one-sided momentum, retracement, then again it fell. So you can see here it gave a 1:1.3 risk to reward very easily. So this one was yellow, that is missed one, missed because of very early morning entry, 4:35 a.m. entry. Then let's move to the next one. Next one, this one. So yesterday at night, see this zone is now like this zone. So here there is a Fibonacci from bottom to top, from this area to this area. See, every time it will won't be perfect, so you have to adjust a little bit. See here it has touched 62% area, but if you will take from this low, it has not touched the 62% retracement area. That is the thing, you have to be little caution. And before that, in this trade I did one mistake, very big mistake. Immediately I saw that, well, that is why I got saved, otherwise my means there would have been a big SL hit. So the thing is here, instead of entering with 0.5, I entered 0.55, means 55 lot. Instead of 5 lot, I opened 55 lot. So that was very big blunder that would have struck my account, and it would have been a very disaster for me. So this trade, so this trade I have taken based on the very good setup, perfect. Um, let's So this one was at New York session. New York, New York session. Risk to reward was 1:2 easily. See, I have kept a SL over here at 75% retracement area, and entry was like this area and target was like this area. So it was like 1:1.3. So another thing is, in this trade, it was the first time where there was no multiple cluster. And another thing, see, this was a very strong area. That is why immediately it fell and immediately it started to go. And here one thing I did was this one will be two colors because here I exited early. So for early exit, orange. So here was one early exit. That was a big problem. Not big problem, it was a big mistake. And after that, see this one I kept a orange and also there will be a blue because every account I didn't take and also not with the same quantity. So see, if you are taking one trade, if you are not booking early SL, then why should you book the profit early? Take the profit early. You should be waiting for your zone. If it reaches your zone, it is very good. If it doesn't, it is a part of the game. And also there was no full risk. Risk was not full. So now let's talk about this trade. So it formed a retracement from this area. See, the candle was perfect and I have entered early because in 5 minute time frame there was a proper setup. Here there was a proper 5 minute setup. Let me show. See, two doji candles, gravestone doji type of candle is here. So there is a high tendency or chance that it will fall, but it didn't. It went up, even crossed the 70% retracement area. Then it started to accumulate. Then there was change of character. Then it fell. And also here was one setup that was based on support resistance and kind of Fibonacci cluster. It worked perfectly. But as there was news, I didn't take the trade. Taking the trade and sitting in the trade is very discomfortable. So let's discuss about this trade. So we are not discussing properly. One year means trade. One is what, blue and orange. And another thing, okay, I will discuss about this trade later. So this trade formed in New York. Okay, session we are not discussing now. This one again, blue orange. Next, here also half, only one unnecessary account I took the trade. This one again missed, and this one was in very high time frame, and it was kind of good, 1:1. And then this trade was there based on 50% retracement, 50 from extreme top to bottom, 38% retracement, and from this low to high, 50% retracement, and with the change of character I took the trade. So then this trade was from this area, this area, this area. See, it has crossed 62% area, and also a retest of this chart pattern, also accumulation, change of character, then it gave a move. And also one thing, you should only take the trade if it is a virgin level, then it is working much better. But this one was not virgin, still it worked. You don't have to put too much of your head over here and there. Just see it is touching or not, it is happening or not. Same quantity, same trade, same quantity, same risk to reward. Just that. Then you don't have to worry about anything. If you are using SL, then be it like that. If you are using this SL, then you should be using that SL in every trade. You are using this in one, another in one, then it is wrong. If my luck is bad, it will go penetrate and then it will fall. But if it is my luck is good, then it will directly move one. Okay. So another thing, why same quantity and same risk to reward? See, if your accuracy is 50%, because it has to be 50% only, because you don't know market will work or not work. So most of the trades will be like 50%. You took this trade, you made a loss here. You you took this trade, you made a loss over here, like that. And this a bonus. This one profit, this one profit. So from here 0.3 and here 0.3. So 0.6 and here 2.6 means you are getting 3.2. And let's leave this one. It is not mandatory to you means it is not mandatory that you have to earn today only. You can earn today, you can earn tomorrow, you can earn forever. So in this you could have made just like 70, 70, $80, maximum $80. But is your target $80? No, then forget about it. So we discuss about this till this. This one also discussed. Do 1, 2, 3, and this one was Friday. It was also early exit. Orange, yes, orange. See, market is showing me that come take the trade, come trade the trade, but it will just not work. What I did was excellent, but it is not working. Leave it, no problem. We'll see tomorrow. See this trade. This trade is the most important thing you need to see. Like in a higher time frame, it will see a very strong candle and also at a very important zone, that is 62% area. So if it are not taking from this low, if you are taking from this low, it has formed at a very crucial area, but it gave a change of character also. That is why I entered at this region and my SL was here and I exited early exit. That was very good. And see, here also one loss, here also one loss. This one I won't take, this one I will take. So okay, we'll discuss that one later. This one from here to here, a good Fibonacci area plus support resistance, good support resistance area. See, similarly like this only here also it happened. See, we are in 30 minutes. Let's go to 15 minutes. It was a very crucial area, and it is the area where it will take the decision that it will fall or it will go. Means it will take a reversal from here or it will fall. Similarly, like this thing only, it is now happening right over here, right at this area. Now it is happening again. It is calling all the sellers, come, sell here, sell here, sell here. But buyers are taking in control, and then at news, today there is a big news also. So during the news, it will give a good one-sided momentum, maybe or maybe not. So now let's go to this area. So two losses. again one missed. This one was based on the support resistance and also Fibonacci area from that top to bottom, and this also formed at a very good area plus post general setup. Post general means the retest setup, but the thing was no proper Fibonacci it touched. That is why I missed that setup. Otherwise, it was very good. I was waiting for this 50% area, but before only it started to reverse from 38% area. And also, if we will take from this area was very important, 38 plus 50. So two missed trades again. And also here also kind of setup, but Fibonacci was not there. That is why I left that setup. And now let's go to this setup. This executed very perfectly. A very interested area plus support resistance plus slowed down, the price slowed down, and also it showed very good chart pattern, not chart pattern, candlestick pattern. So it is a green trade and a blue plus, yeah, only blue. It was not proper logical trade also. And this one I missed. This one I took, and from today that day the trend was in short side. Leave it. Yellow, orange. Here also I'll leave it. This one held very nicely. This was support resistance plus Fibonacci, but I exited early because I thought market will close and again it will not work. And this one was from below to top, important area. Orange, yellow missed. No, this one I didn't miss. I took the setup. It was executed perfectly. Green. This was a very good setup, but the thing was, I was waiting for a much deeper pullback, but the deeper pullback didn't come. That is why I missed that setup. And similarly to this area, deeper pullback, deeper pullback, deeper pullback means much. এখানে একটা 1 2 deeper pullback. This one was not confident. Deeper pullback 3. This one formed at an important zone. It formed at a 50% area plus change of character plus doji. So like that happened many times. And this one was early, and this one was not a proper setup. This one lost because of greed. This one was totally invalid, so let's not keep that one. This one was valid. Already exit. This one will be orange. See, I said right. This one I said that it is accumulating, so there is a high chance it will break and move. So now your job is to just take the trade over here, keeping the SL over here, and targeting next resistance area. So let's see that this one is working or not. A liquidity sweep of these total SLs of the sellers, and this is one minute time frame. So how it will work, I don't know. If it was 15-minute time frame, then when price crosses this candle below, you should be taking a short side trade. And your target will be this area. Trade activated. Mm, Target is this area. So let's summarize. 5 SLs won. How many I missed? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 trades I missed. Wow. See the trade. It took the liquidity of this zone. So you could have exited some quantity over here, and now it will go much deeper. Maybe, maybe not. I don't know. We'll see that one. So missed. I have missed this many. Deeper pullback. I missed 4. Means what does deeper pullbacks mean? Deeper pullback means that I was expecting the market to fall much below. I was expecting the market to fall more. That is why I didn't take the trade. Like for example, mm, this one is a perfect example. It didn't touch the 50% retracement area. So early morning missed because of the setup forming early morning. How many setup I missed? Let's check. This is one. Mm, then this one is another one. This one is another one. And this one is another one. This one another one. Hmm. And missed. So how many I missed because of low confidence? Missed uh, missed because of low grade setup. So now see, it took the liquidity. See, it took the liquidity. You could have placed a order over here, and now you could have enjoyed the whole target. That is 1 is to 10, 10, 13, 1 is to 5. It is more than enough, 1 is to 5. So the first liquidity is your target, not this one. The first liquidity. So how many did I miss because of low confidence and low grade? This one is on one low grade. This one was a mistake. This is not valid. Deeper pullback done. Low grade setup. This one is another low grade setup. This one deeper pullback. Early morning. This one low grade setup. This one was early morning setup. This one was low grade setup. Low grade setup. low confidence, low confidence, low confidence. So here I can see, let's make the conclusion of this video. So here I can see, uh, out of many trades that I have taken, 5 SLs, only 5 SLs gone. Actual 5 SLs that have been hit. Other than that, not a single trade got SL hit. So SL hit first. Here one reason is, I was too greedy. Okay, this one, it was early entry and part of the game. I could not do anything, and then red happened. This one also, it formed at a very logical area, and also, see, support, it formed at a very confirmed area, that there will be a high chance of reversal from this area. So it formed candlesticks also, so that was good. This one was early entry, that was why I made a small loss. And this one formed a good setup, but little bit of, you could have avoided, because see, one time it has touched this area, so this one is not virgin, so that is why you made a loss in this setup. And another loss is at this area, so you have added to this trade also, so we'll discuss about later. So this loss was part of game, and this one was single touch. So there are many trades where single touch also worked, but if there is a multiple touch, then it works perfectly like charm. This setup worked perfectly like charm, so let's mark it as pink. This one, this one, and it worked like a charm. This one, and this one is not very favorite one, worked like a charm. Another, you can say this one also. Okay, let's not discuss about that. Let's get back to the my analysis. So 5 SLs to 6 SLs were directly hit, and there were many missed trades. How much? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16, 16 missed trades. And early exit I have done mistake is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, 10. Early exit I have done 10 times, and then proper setup I have traded is 3 plus 3, that is 6. 6 times I have traded very properly. Blue is another thing, that is, in some accounts I have taken the trade, and in some accounts I have left that account. I didn't touch anything of that account, so that is like 5 times. And now, I want to tell about the missed trades. I missed that many trades, like 16 trades missed. Why? For one, waiting for a deeper pullback, that one I have missed, and it is only 4 times I have missed because of deeper pullback. And early morning 5 setups and missed due to low confidence. There are 3 setups. Missed because of low grade is 3 plus 3, 6 setups, and I didn't see is only 1 setup. So let's calculate one. There are 16 missed setups, right? So 4 missed because of deeper pullback, means waiting for deeper pullback, and then we can see 4, right? 4 plus because of 5, because of early morning 5 trade missed, then 3 trade missed due to low confidence, then 6 trade missed because of low grade quality setup, plus 1 missed because I didn't see. So there are 19 setups I have missed as per this, but there are yellow setup, yellow marks where I have missed 10 and 10, not 10, 16. So the calculation is not proper. This one was yellow, right? Okay, say let's count the yellow one. 1, 2, 3, 4, not 4, 3. Okay, some setups I have marked and that are not valid. This is like low quality setup. I have missed, did very good. So the murda ka baat, the main thing that is I need to improve. What are the things that I need to improve? That is, first one, SLs are part of the game. I have missed many setups. Out of that, for deeper pullbacks, I have been waiting, but it didn't touch because of just 1 pip, 2 pips. But he might have touched the zone in silver. That in that case, you could have taken the setup based on change of character. Done. And then orange is early exit. Why you are doing early exit? The main problem or the culprit is early exit. Otherwise, your account would have been much up because you are getting many setups, but you are getting afraid and early doing early exit. So early exit is not benefiting, as I am trading 1 is to 1.3. If I would have traded like 1 is to 3, 4, then it was a different story. But because of I am trading 1 is to 1.3, it is working very nicely. So you should not do early exit. Are you doing early exit in loss, like taking small loss in this Fibonacci setups? No, you are waiting for the SL to hit full SL. You are giving, like at this area you gave a full SL, right? So if you are not willing to give full SL, means if you are not willing to take the full target, then why you are willing to give full SL? You should not give. You can give full SL, that is correct, but you should not book early or cut the winner. That is the most important thing you are doing mistake. And perfect trade, I have taken just 6 trades, total 16 trades I have